Tired of being chained to your computer just to manage your WhatsApp business communications? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to open and manage your Wati API account right from your phone, giving you the freedom to stay connected on the go. First things first, ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Then, open your preferred web browser on your smartphone. This could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other browser you typically use. Now, in the address bar of your browser, type in the Wati login URL. This is typically a Puatio. Double-check the URL to ensure you've entered it correctly, as incorrect URLs can lead to phishing sites. Once the Wati login page loads, you'll see fields for your email address and password. Enter the email address you used to register your Wati account in the email field. Next, carefully type in your password in the password field. After entering your credentials, tap on the login button. This will initiate the authentication process. If your credentials are correct, you'll be redirected to your Wati dashboard, now accessible on your mobile device. From here, you can manage your contacts, view and respond to messages in your inbox, and even set up or monitor your automated campaigns. The mobile interface is designed to be responsive, so you should be able to navigate it easily. And that's it. You've successfully accessed your Wati API account on your phone. Now you can manage your WhatsApp business communications from anywhere. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more Wati tips and tricks.